Welcome to Cosine's Proof Points. Each week we look at something new that Cosine has done. Today we're looking at refactoring the merge conflict resolver to use Monaco. A merge conflict happens when two sets of code changes collide. The team has built a custom resolver, but it lacked syntax highlighting and duplicated logic from their Monaco-based editor, making it hard to maintain. Here's what we asked Cosine to do. Rebuild the resolver on Monaco, matching the existing editor experience. Keep all current features per-hunk actions, manual edits, navigation, and commit flows. Reduce custom rendering logic wherever possible. And here is what Cosine built. Cosine swapped in Monaco's diff editor to show ours vs theirs with syntax highlighting and Monaco editor for the merged output. It preserved manual editing, per-hunk resolution, and undo. For hunk controls, Cosine refined the UI to use Monaco view zones, embedding the existing hand toolbar directly in the editor grid. The toolbars now align naturally with code, are fully clickable, and resize cleanly. Here's what Cosine's impact was. The resolver now feels like part of the platform's main editor with consistent theming and less custom code to maintain. Developers get simpler internals while users get a smoother conflict resolution experience. And when we asked our engineer how he felt about that, he said that it was just done by one shot. Work that would have taken days was delivered in a single task. Do you want to simplify your work? Give Cosine a try.